Aloha, my friends. Billy Wiggly here with another Excel keyboard shortcut. And today, we're in the hanalei taro patches. Take a good look. All of these are taro fields. Don't they look like cells in your Excel spreadsheet? Hey, what if I wanted to select that taro patch and another one over here and another one down here? In other words, how would you select multiple non-adjacent cells in your Excel spreadsheet? Simple. Just select your first cell, hold down the control key, and begin to select all of your non-adjacent cells. That's exactly how you can select multiple non-adjacent cells. Imagine you're in hanalei, taking a look at the taro patches. You're selecting them all individually, non-adjacently, by pressing Control and then selecting. Remember, my friends, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.